ನಮಸ್ತೆ. KCET ಆನ್ಲೈನ್ ಕ್ಲಾಸ್ಗೆ ಸ್ವಾಗತ. ನನ್ನ ಹೆಸರು ಶ್ರೀ ಲಕ್ಷ್ಮಿ. ನಾನು ಇವತ್ತು ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್ ಅನ್ನೋ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಅನ್ನ ಡಿಸ್ಕಸ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ನಾನು ಪೇಸ್ PU ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಶಿವಮೊಗ್ಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಮ್ಯಾಥ್ಸ್ ಲೆಕ್ಚರರ್ ಆಗಿ ಕೆಲಸ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೀನಿ. ಸೊ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಟಾಪಿಕ್ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಂಡ್ ಸೀರೀಸ್. So right, so which are the odd terms from 1 to 90? 1, 3, 5, 7, so on up to the last odd term is 89. Then I want to calculate how many number of terms are there. ಎಷ್ಟು number of terms ಇದೆ ಈ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, odd numbers ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಕುಲೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. So to calculate the number of odd terms, so I'm going to give a shortcut here, that is the last term minus the first term, last term minus first term divided by the common difference of an arithmetic progression plus 1 is the number of terms in the sequence. So let us solve this. Which is the last term of this sequence? 89 minus the first term of this sequence is 1 divided by common difference is 2 plus 1. So 1, 3, 5, 7 ali common difference is 2. So n is equal to 89 minus 1 is 88. 88 divided by 2 is 44. 44 plus 1 is equal to 45. So number of terms in this sequence is 45. So we can directly calculate the number of terms. So that is option B is the correct answer. Understood? Next question is the number of numbers that are divisible by 9 between 1 and 1000 is ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So between 1 and 1000 we have to calculate the number of numbers. ಎಷ್ಟು ನಂಬರ್ಗಳು 1 ರಿಂದ 1000 ಒಳಗಡೆ 9 ರಿಂದ ಭಾಗ ಆಗುವಂತ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು ಎಷ್ಟಿದೆ ಅಂತ. ಸೊ 9 ಇಂದ ಭಾಗ ಆಗುವಂತ ಸಂಖ್ಯೆಗಳು 1 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು 9 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 18 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ 27, so on up to the last term of this sequence is 999. So 1000 ಹಿಂದೆ ಬರುವಂತದ್ದು 999. Now I want to calculate the value of n. So n is equal to the last term. Shortcut anna ಹಿಂದಿನ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದೆ. To calculate the value of n, the last term minus first term divided by the common difference plus 1. So here the last term minus first term divided by common difference plus 1. So last term of this sequence is 999 minus first term of this sequence is 9 divided by common difference is 9 plus 1. That will be 999 minus 9 is 990 divided by 9 plus 1. So that is 990 divided by 9 is 110 plus 1, that is 111. The number of terms in this sequence is option C. That is option C is the correct answer. Next question. Sum of odd integers from 1 to 2001 is. So which are the odd integers from 1 to 2001? Let us write the sequence 1, 3, 5, 7, so on up to 2001. Between anta ಹೇಳಿಲ್ಲ ಇಲ್ಲಿ, from 1 to 2001 ಅಂದಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So here 2001 is also included, 1 is also included. Now our aim is to calculate the value of n here. How to calculate the value of n? Last term minus first term divided by common difference plus 1. So the last term is 2001. Last alle nanondu hint anna kottidini shortcut anta. Last term minus first term divided by common difference. Here in this sequence the common difference is 2 plus 1. So that can be written as 2001 minus 1 is 2000 divided by 2 plus 1. 2000 divided by 2 is 1000 plus 1, that is 1001 is the number of terms from 1 to 2001. How many number of terms are there from 1 to 2001? There are 1001 terms are there. Then what I want to calculate? Sum of odd integers. Sum of these numbers 1 plus 3 plus 5 plus 7 plus so on up to 2001. Sum of this sequence Sn, sum of odd integers is given by n square. Sum of odd integers is given by n square. We know the value of n, that is 1001 into 1001. 1001 into 1001 ಅನ್ನ multiply ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 1002001 is the solution. Option A is the correct answer. Understood? Next. The sum of all natural numbers lying between 100 and 1000 which are multiples of 5. So lying between ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ, ಅಂದ್ರೆ 100 ಆದ್ಮೇಲೆ, 100ರಿಂದ ಮುಂದಕ್ಕೆ, 1000ದ ಒಳಗೆ. 100ರಿಂದ ಮುಂದೆ ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ so 105, 110, ಇಲ್ಲಿ 100 include ಆಗಿಲ್ಲ, 115, so on up to 995 is the last term of this sequence, which are multiples of 5. Then I want to calculate sum of n terms. To calculate sum of n terms, first calculate the value of n. How to calculate the value of n? The last term minus first term divided by common difference plus 1. The last term is 995 minus first term is 105 divided by common difference is 5 plus 1. So that is 995 minus 105 is 890 divided by 5 plus 1. So that will be 890 divided by 5 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 5 ones are 5. We remain with 39. So 5 sevens are 35. We remain with 4. 40 divided by 5 is 8. 178 plus 1 is equal to 179. So number of terms in this sequence is 179. Then I want to calculate sum of n terms of arithmetic progression. So we know that Sn is equal to n by 2 into a plus l, where l is the first term of the sequence and l is the common difference. So n is 179 divided by 2 into first term of the sequence is 105 plus the last term of the sequence is 995. So that will be 179 divided by 2 into, so 105 plus 995, so 1100, 1100. So 2 in the cancel ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 550 into 179. So that is 98450. The answer is 98450. Option 2 is the correct answer. Understood? Next question. So if Sn is equal to np plus n by 2 into n minus 1 into q, where Sn denotes the sum of first n terms of an AP, then the common difference is. So if Sn is given, Sn of a sequence is given, if you want to calculate the common difference, then the formula is S2 minus 2S1. Remember the formula, common difference is equal to S2 minus 2 times S1. So here Sn is given by Np plus N by 2 into N minus 1 into Q. Now substitute N is equal to 2. So we get 2P plus 2 divided by 2 into 2 minus 1 into Q. This is S2 minus S1, 2 times S1. S1 is in place of N you replace 1. In place of N you replace 1. So we get 1P plus 1 by 2 into 1 minus 1 is 0 into Q. So we remain with 2P plus 2 to cancel. 2 minus 1 is 1. Q minus. So 2 into 1 into P is P plus 0 into Q is 0. So we remain with 2P plus Q minus 2P. So 2P get cancels. So the answer is Q. Option 4 is the solution. Next question. If the sum of n terms of an AP is Pn plus Qn square, where P and Q are constants, then the common difference is ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So if Sn of the sequence is given by Pn plus Qn square, then I want to calculate the common difference. Common difference is equal to what? So here is one shortcut. If Sn of the sequence, sum of n terms of the sequence is of the form A into, A into n square plus B into n, right? So if Sn is equal to A into n square plus B into n, then I want to calculate the common difference. How to calculate the common difference anta kelidre, difference is equal to twice the coefficient of n square. So common difference is nothing but twice the coefficient of n square. So in this sequence, the common difference, coefficient of n square is A, 2 into A. So the common difference is 2A. If Sn is given by A n square plus Bn, then the common difference is twice the coefficient of n square. That is D is equal to twice A. So let us apply the same shortcut here. If Sn is given by Pn plus Qn square, so let us rewrite it as Sn is equal to Qn square plus Pn. Then the common difference is equal to twice the coefficient of n square. What is the coefficient of n square here? 2 into Q. So difference is equal to 2Q. Option 2 is the correct answer. Option 2 is the correct answer. Understood? Next question is, if the sum of n terms of an AP is given by Sn is equal to 3n plus 2n square, then the common difference of this AP is anta keltidare. So Sn is given by 3n plus 2n square. Then I want to calculate the value of common difference, right? So we know the shortcut. If Sn is of the form an square plus bn, then the common difference is nothing but twice the coefficient of n square. So that is, here the coefficient of n square is 2. So the common difference is 2 into 2. So therefore, D is equal to 4. If you want, you can apply this formula. Sn is equal to an square plus bn. Then difference is equal to twice the coefficient of n square. Or else. So if Sn is given by 3n plus 2n square, then you can directly apply difference is equal to S2 minus 2S1. So S2 is given by 3 2s are. So n jagake 2 replace ಮಾಡಿ 3 2s are 6 plus 2 ಅನ್ನು replace ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ 2 2s are 4, 4 2s are 8 minus 2 S1. S1 is in place of n you replace 1. In place of n you replace 1. So we get 3 plus 2, 5. So 6 plus 8 is 14 minus 10, that is 4. The common difference is 4. So either you can use difference is equal to S2 minus 2S1, or else if you remember the formula, D is equal to twice the coefficient of n square, then directly you can select the option. Option D is the solution. Next question. If the ratio between the sum of n terms of two arithmetic progressions is 3n plus 8 is to 7n plus 15, then the ratio between their 12th terms is ಅಂತ ಕೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. So sum of n terms of two arithmetic progressions, Sn of first sequence divided by Sn of second sequence is given by 3n plus 8 divided by 7n plus 15. Then I want to calculate ratio of the 12th term. 12th term of first sequence divided by 12th term of second sequence is what? So I want to calculate the value of n to get the ratio of the 12th terms. So what we want here, ratio of the 12th term. So how to calculate n anta kelidre, twice into required number of terms minus 1, where n is equal to twice required number of term ಯಾವುದು ಬೇಕೋ ಅದು minus 1. So n is equal to twice. So which term we want here? 12th term of ratio of the 12th term of this sequence. So here required number of terms, ratio of the required number of terms, that is 2 into 12 minus 1. 12 2s are 24 minus 1. 24 minus 1 is 23. So n is equal to 23. So now substitute n is equal to 23 here. So we get 3 into 23 plus 8 divided by 7 into 23 plus 15. So we get 23 3s are 3 3s are 9, 3 2s are 6, 69 plus 8 divided by 7 into 23, 7 3s are 21, 2 carry, 7 2s are 14, 14 plus 2, 16, 161 plus 15 is equal to 69 plus 8 is 77 divided by 161 plus 15 is 176. Cancel with the 11 table. 11 7s are 77 divided by 11 1s are 11, 11 6s are. So option B is the correct answer. Understood? So next question. The ratio of the sum of n elements of two arithmetic progression is given by Sn plus 4, 5n plus 4 is to 9n plus 16, then the ratio of their 18th elements is, so Sn of first sequence divided by Sn of second sequence is given by 5n plus 4 divided by 9n plus 16. Then I want to calculate the ratio of their 18th terms. Ratio of their 18th terms is equal to what? So now I want to calculate the value of n. N is nothing but twice the required number of terms. Required number of term is 18. Ratio of the 18th terms anta kelidare. 2 into 18 minus 1. So n is equal to 18 twos are 36. 36 minus 1 is 35. Required number of, n is equal to 35. Now I want to calculate the ratio of their, ratio of their 18th terms. So in place of n, you replace 35. So we get 5 into 35 plus 4 divided by 9 into 35 plus 16. So we get 35 5s are 5 5s are 35. 5 5s are 25. 2 carry. 5 3s are 15. 15 plus 2 175 plus 4 divided by 35 9s are 5 9s are 45. 4 carry. So 3 9s are 3 9s are 27. 27 plus 4, 315 plus 16. So 179 divided by 315 plus 16. 315 plus 16 is 331. Option C is the correct answer. Next question. Sum of n terms of two arithmetic progressions are in the ratio similar to previous question. So Sn is given. Then I want to calculate the ratio of 13th terms. No need to write the value of Sn and all. So required number of terms ratio is ratio of their 13th terms. So now I want to calculate the value of n. N is nothing but twice the required number of term 13 minus 1. So 13 twos are 26 minus 1, that is 25. Then the ratio of the 13th terms is 2 into n value is 25 plus 3 divided by 6 into 25 plus 5. So 25 twos are 50 plus 3 is 53 divided by 6 into 25, 155. Option A is the correct answer. Next question. The 10th common term between the series 3 plus 7 plus 11 plus so on up to, and 1 plus 6 plus 11 plus so on up to. So here we come across two sequences. The first sequence is 3, 7, 11, so on up to. Second sequence is 1, 6, 11, so on up to. So first common number in these two sequences is 11. The first common term in these two sequences is 11. Then I want to calculate the value of common difference to get the 10th common ratio. 10th common term. So 10th common term anna calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ A10. A10 value is nothing but A plus 9D. So A plus 9D ಇದನ್ನ calculate ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. A value ಗೊತ್ತಿದೆ, D value ಅನ್ನ find out ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. D value ಹೇಗೆ find out ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಅಂದ್ರೆ, so let us consider the first sequence. So in this first sequence, the common difference of first sequence is 7 minus 3 is 4. Second term sequence 1, 6, 11, so on up to. Second sequence now common difference 5. Then the 10th common term series of this series anta keltidare. So now I want to calculate the common difference of common terms. So hagirಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ first sequence na common difference ನಮಗೆ ಎರಡು ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಅಥವಾ ಕಾಮನ್ ಟರ್ಮ್ಸ್ ನ ಸೀಕ್ವೆನ್ಸ್ ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ LCM of the common difference of first sequence and common difference of second sequence. So common terms na common difference ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ LCM of 4 and 5 is 20. So now substitute the value D is equal to 20. The first term is 11. 9 into 20. So 9 into 20, 180. 180 plus 11 is 191. Option A is the correct answer. Next question is, if in an arithmetic progression, Sn is given by Qn square. Sn is given by Qn square. Sm is given by Qm square. Then Sr. So typing error agide. Sr. Sr denotes the sum of all terms of AP. Sr denotes the sum of R terms of an AP. Then I want to calculate Sq is equal to what? So if you replace Sn is equal to Qn square, Sn is given by Q square. Here observe the sequence. Sn is given by Qn square. Sm is given by Q into M square. Sq ಬೇಕು ನಂಗೆ. ಇಲ್ಲಿ n ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ n ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ, m ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ ಆದ್ರೆ m ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಇದೆ, q ಎಲ್ಲದರಲ್ಲೂ ಕಾಮನ್ ಇದೆ. Sr ಆದ್ರೆ ಏನಂತ ಬರಿತೀವಿ? Q into R square, ವೇರಿಯಬಲ್ R. P ಬರೆಯೋದಾದ್ರೆ Q into P square ಅಂತ ಬರಿಬೇಕು. Sum of P terms of the given arithmetic progression is Q into P square. ಅವ್ರೇನ್ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ? Sum of Q terms ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. Sum of Q terms is Q into Q square. Q is common for all. Sn ನೋಡಿ, Sn ಅಲ್ಲಿ Q into n square ಇದೆ, Sm ಅಲ್ಲಿ Q into m square ಇದೆ, Sr ಅಲ್ಲಿ Q into R square ಇದೆ. Sp ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ Q into P square ಆಯ್ತು. Sq ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ Q into Q square. Q into Q square is QQ. So sum of Sq terms in this arithmetic progression is QQ. Next question is, if pth term of an AP is Q and qth term of the same AP is P, then what is the common difference? So we know the concept in 10th itself. So pth term common difference is AP minus AQ divided by P minus Q. So pth term of the AP is Q. Qth term of P is P divided by P minus Q. So we get minus common factor ತೆಗೆದ್ರೆ P minus Q divided by P minus Q. Cancel ಆದರೆ -1. -1 is the common difference. Next question. If 9th term of an AP is 0, then the ratio of 29th term to 19th term is 9th term of an AP is 0. That means A9 is equal to 0. By the definition of arithmetic progression, A9 is A plus 8D is equal to 0. A is equal to minus 8 times D. Then I want to calculate ratio of the 29th term to ratio of the 19th term. A 29 by the definition we can write it as A plus 28D divided by 19th term anna A plus 18D anta baribodu. Now I want to calculate the ratio of these two terms. Ratio of these two terms is nothing but A antandre minus 8D plus 28D divided by minus 8D plus 18D. So we get minus 8D plus 28D is nothing but 20D divided by 10D. DD cancel agate, 0, 0 cancel agate. So then the ratio is 2:1. Option C is the correct answer. Next question is sum to infinity of the progression 9 minus 3 plus 1 minus 1 by 3 plus so on up to is. So this sequence is in geometric progression. Sum to infinite terms of geometric progression. Sum to infinite terms of a geometric progression is nothing but A divided by 1 minus R. Now, what is the value of A in this sequence? A is equal to 9. Common ratio is nothing but T2 divided by T1 or A2 divided by A1. So that is minus 3 divided by 9. The first term is 9 and second term is minus 3. Minus 3 divided by 9 is nothing but minus 1 by 3. So R is equal to minus 1 by 3. So substitute A value and R value in S infinity formula. So 9 divided by 1 plus 1 by 3. So that is 9 divided by 3 plus 1, 4 by 3. So that is 9 3s are 27 divided by 4. Option C is the correct answer. Next question is sum of the infinite GP is 4 by 3. S infinity is given by 4 by 3 and its first term A is given by 3 by 4. Then I want to calculate the value of common ratio R is equal to what? So we know the formula S infinity is equal to A divided by 1 minus R. So S infinity is given by 4 by 3. A is given by 3 by 4 divided by 1 minus common ratio. We don't know. I want to calculate the common ratio. Now 4 by 3 now right hand side ke shift ಮಾಡಿ 1 minus R is equal to 3 by 4 divided by 4 by 3. Denominator of denominator goes to numerator. 3 3s are 9 divided by 4 4s are 16. Shift 9 by 16 to right hand side. Sorry, left hand side. 1 minus 9 by 16 is equal to R. 16 minus 9 is 7 divided by 16 is equal to R. So R is equal to 9 by 16. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. The minimum value of 4 power x plus 4 power 1 minus x, where x belongs to R is anta keltidare. So now I want to recall the formula. Arithmetic mean is greater than or is equal to geometric mean. So arithmetic mean is given by A plus B divided by 2 is greater than or is equal to square root of geometric mean is nothing but root of AB. Now I want to calculate the minimum value of 4 power x plus 4 power 1 minus x. So let us call 4 power x as A, 4 power 1 minus x as B. Now apply it to the formula. So we get 4 power x plus 4 power 1 minus x divided by 2 is greater than or is equal to square root of 4 power x into 4 power 1 minus x. Now I want to calculate the minimum value. 4 power x plus 4 power 1 minus x is greater than or is equal to twice square root of 4 power x into 4 power 1 into 4 power minus x. So then this can be written as 4 power x plus 4 power 1 minus x is greater than or is equal to twice square root of 4 power x into 4 power 4 power minus x can be written as 1 by 4 power x. 4 power x get cancels. So we remain with 4 power x plus 4 power 1 minus x is greater than or is equal to twice square root of 4 is 2. So this is greater than or is equal to 4. The minimum value of 4 power x plus 4 power 1 minus x is 4. Option B is the correct answer. Next question. Y is equal to 3 power x minus 1 plus 3 power minus x minus 1, where x is real, then the least value of y, the minimum value of y is ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಜಿಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಯಾವಾಗ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಜಿಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ, ಯಾವುದೇ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ, ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಸಮ್ ಆಫ್ ಟು ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕೊಟ್ಟಿರ್ತಾರೆ, ಅದನ್ನ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ನಂಬರ್ ಯಾವಾಗ ಬರುತ್ತೋ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ನಾವು ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಜಿಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಜಿಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಅಂದ್ರೆ a plus b by 2 is greater than or is equal to square root of a into b. So here a value is given by 3 power x minus 1, b value is given by 3 power minus x minus 1. So apply this 3 power x minus 1 plus 3 power minus x minus 1 divided by 2 is greater than or is equal to square root of 3 power x minus 1 into 3 power minus x minus 1. So this can be written as 3 power x minus 1 plus 3 power minus x minus 1 is greater than or is equal to twice square root of 3 power x into 3 power minus 1. 3 power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 3 into 3 power minus x. By the theory of indices, 3 power minus x minus 1 can be written as 3 power minus x into 3 power minus 1. 3 power minus x can be written as 1 by 3 power x. 3 power minus 1 can be written as 1 by 3. Now substitute this value 3 power x into 1 by 3. 3 power x get cancels. So 3 power x minus 1 plus 3 power minus x minus 1 is greater than or is equal to twice square root of 1 by 3 into 1 by 3. So this is greater than or is equal to twice square root of 1 by 9. So that is given by 3 power x minus 1 plus 3 power minus x minus 1 is greater than or is equal to twice square root of 1 by 9 is 1 by 3. So the least value of y is 2 by 3. Least value of the given function y is 2 by 3. Next question. If y is equal to cos square x plus secant square x, then the value of y less than or is equal to 2, y is less than or is equal to 1, y is greater than 2, y lies between 1 and 2 ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲೂ ಸಹ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಜಿಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು. ಯಾಕೆ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಜಿಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತಂದ್ರೆ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಇಂಟು ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಅದರ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ 1 ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಹಾಗಾಗಿ ಹಿಯರ್ ಐ ಆಮ್ ಗೋಯಿಂಗ್ ಟು ಅಪ್ಲೈ arithmetic mean greater than or is equal to geometric mean. Let us consider this as A and this as B. So arithmetic mean greater than or is equal to geometric mean formula. A plus B divided by 2 is greater than or is equal to square root of A into B. So A plus B divided by 2 is greater than, is equal to square root of A into B. Now substitute the value of A. A is cos square x plus secant square x divided by 2 is greater than or is equal to square root of A into B, that is cos square x into secant square x. Secant square x is the reciprocal of cos function. So cos square x plus secant square x divided by 2 is greater than or is equal to square root of cos square x into 1 by cos square x. ಇದು ಕ್ಯಾನ್ಸಲ್ ಆಗಿ 1 ಉಳಿಯುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಜನರಲಿ ನಾವು ಹೇಗೆ ಅರ್ಥಮೆಟಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಗ್ರೇಟರ್ ದ್ಯಾನ್ ಆರ್ ಇಸ್ ಈಕ್ವಲ್ ಟು ಜಿಯೋಮೆಟ್ರಿಕ್ ಮೀನ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಪ್ರಾಡಕ್ಟ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ ಬರಬೇಕು, ಹಾಗಿದ್ರೆ ಮಾತ್ರ ಈ ಕಾನ್ಸೆಪ್ಟ್ ಅಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ. ಸೊ ವಿ ಗೆಟ್ ಕಾಸ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಪ್ಲಸ್ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ ಈಸ್ greater than or is equal to twice root 1. Cos square x plus secant square x is denoted by y. Y is greater than or is equal to 2 into root 1 is 1. So y is greater than or is equal to 2. Option C is the correct answer. So these are some questions in sequence and series. Keep practicing. Thank you.